So over here, you can see that I have this particular picture right here. And let's say what I want to do is I want to go ahead and apply the Tune Sharpen effect inside of Corel Draw. So to do that, I'm going to go around onto the effects menu right here and then go around over here onto the correction section right here. And you can see that Tune Sample is an option. So if I were to go around and zoom in, over here you can see that I have an option to change around the percentage of the sharpen right here. So as I go ahead right here, you can see that this is what you have. You can go ahead and apply these type of masks right here, just like this. So you can see that as I click on it, then more and more sharpen effect is actually applied right here until it looks like this. But let me just go ahead and press, let's say for example, Control Z over here a few times. So now I can go ahead and change around the percentage and change around the background right here. And if I were to click, I can sharpen this a bit, or I can go for directional sharpness as well, and so forth. So this is how you can go ahead and use the unsharp marks and then sharpen it out to get the edges right here, just like this, as you can see. Let me just go ahead, press Control Z a few times right here, just like this, to go back. Let's just go around a few times. And over here, you can simply go ahead and click to make it a bit more sharp, as you can see right here, just like this. And you can also go ahead and utilize the sharpen mask right here, the directional sharpness or adaptive sharpness as well as you want. So that is how you can go ahead and utilize the Tune Sharpen effect inside of Corel Draw. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.